landing.
All right, it's my turn.
I figured out you can flare this. You can flare it a little bit.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Because I started pulling back. Takes up a lot of runway landing.
Yeah. That's why you got to get the power out. Like right there, if that airplane stalled and stopped completely running, you'd probably land it long.
Landing's a fun part.
You're right on the edge of that. There you go. Like that landing right there would probably be a crash at the end of the runway. Go ahead.
Really?
He floats.
Yeah, it floats. Yep.
I like this plane, Dad.
Yep.
This is a nice plane.
You could even get more power out there. Not all of it, but take the power out. And go ahead, make your turn in. Turn right from there. Add a little bit of power.
See what,
There you go. Okay, easy. Now all the power out and line yourself up.
see, that was a good lineup.
There you go. Oh, that's going to be a nice landing. Yep, and then flare it. Beautiful. You're flying.
Did he flare it at the end?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, when land, no crash.
No.
Don't crash this plane. This is a great plane.
This is the plane. This is the plane to practice your landings with, because anybody can fly around.
He's not flying. That would probably be.
Yep, that's gonna be the way this plane floats. It'll be hard to get that down on the ground from there.
Even with how far it is out.
Yep. 'Cause see, you even haven't begun to float it yet.
I like that plane.
That's nice. I'm sure you can fly at any time Errol's here.
Well, can Errol trust me since you just watched me take it off and land it?
I think so. Get all the power out. Good, and then just nice gentle turn in.
You see, when I was turning, I add power because what it does on a turn is it just goes.
Okay, beautiful. Line it up and then just get her down and float it.
That's gonna be a nice landing.
Yep. Keep pulling back on the elevator. Keep pulling back. Keep pulling back. Keep pulling back. Keep pulling back. There you go. See? When you pull back and grease it like that. Now, this plane you can land like that. The S-Bach you can't. It lands different. I'll have to show you how that. But you get used to this one, you'll be good.
I like this one. I love this plane.
See how you can keep pulling back when it's just ready to touch down?
Yeah.
And it does a nice soft landing.
I like that plane.
Yep.
This plane, Dad.
You can drop the power out, all the way out there
This
because
may,
you're really high.
This may be a beginner plane, but it flies great. What beginner plane doesn't fly this? Flies as good. That's gonna be long.
You are not gonna touch ground.
Nope. And you got to make that if this particular plane is waist high when it's passing you, you ain't landing. If you had to, you could, but more than likely you're not gonna.
If you had to. At least at the end you don't have those.
Now
big,
from there you can get rid of your power right about there, and then turn in.
It's
Add a little bit. Okay, good. Out with the power now, and then float that in.
that's
gonna be a nice landing. And just keep pulling back when you get low. Try to keep it off the ground. There you go. that's just where you touch down on the runway. You hit a bump.
Woo, the third one.
Yay!
How much different is the X-Box from the S-Box?
Here, let me see it for 1 second. If you're really high, okay? Like if you get all messed up and you're really high like this, okay? And you want to try to land it, what you can do is you can put rudder in and opposite aileron and watch the approach. Watch what happens. Say it. Boom. That's called a slip. What that does is it turns the plane sideways and it opens up that fuselage to all the air. It's like an air brake. You need a lot of time to do that.
I think yeah.
Because you see how it's flying sideways? It's acting like a brake, okay?
Yeah.
So you can land from really high, but it's hard.
Dad, do you think I could slip it?
It takes a lot of practice to slip.
Isn't that how you landed that guy's plane?
Pontus's, yep. But this is a great airplane to practice with.
Yeah. Dad, you know what? Beginner planes might be easy to fly, but they're the most fun to fly with. Isn't that true? They're the most fun because I like how this thing.
And this plane, the way it flies, it's all a nice, gentle. Everything's done slow, you know.
Yes. With
Oh, this is gonna be nice. Yeah, you got that bump again.
Got that same bump.
How's it feel?
I love it.
You recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything is recorded.
Yeah.
How much fuel do you think he has time for?
Oh, tons, because all we're doing is touch and goes.
I think I can fly 20 minutes.
Oh yeah, easily.
20 minutes off what? Not even a gallon of fuel. Oh no. Alright. Get it a little bit more. That would have been a long run.
Yeah, this plane likes to fly. It likes to just stay in the air, you know. There you go. Now you're getting. Now you can fly slower. You can keep the power in longer by flying slower the whole time. The only thing you want to be careful of is when you're coming around like that, you don't want to have the wing too steep. You know what I mean? Because if you get a real steep turn, you'll stall the wing. Little right. There you go. That's the nicest part of our runway right there.
What does it got in it?
I don't know. What engine's in that?
A
Thunder Tiger?
Thunder Tiger.
50? Or 46 or something like that.
Well, I have
What does
no
it
idea.
sound like?
There you go. Now you can turn in from there. Just watch the. Oh, you're inside those trees. Oh, that'll be a nice one too.
But that tree kind of like hides the plane. Those trees hide the plane. Don't hit that bump.
Nice! Rob's time. Let's see what he can do with this little sport plane. Try to do some sport maneuvers with this one.
With this one?
Yeah, it is sport. It's supposed to do some tricks. Nice. I gotta see that.
It barely holds it, but
Holy mackerel, it can do all that.
doesn't fly good upside down, does it? You'd be surprised what you can do. I can do it. Kind of sad. Oh man, don't go for it. How much you have to hold in?
Quite a bit.
I've seen someone's plane stall.
Yes, it can do that.
Now I see that I can do it better.
No, Don't,
I can learn
don't
some
take
stuff.
Don't
Oh,
take
yeah.
your chances. It stalls easier than that. Right
Yeah, you have to be careful doing that stuff with this because the wind can stall pretty easy.
And the motor. Whoa.
It's like past the
turn, yeah,
transmitter.
his turn.
You can go from there.